Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing one of the topic, that is questions, basically question and answer. Basically, one person basically asked the question: 1 lakh kilometer basically is the land area basically from where basically the power supply is getting to the computers, and each and every software companies basically are getting power supply from that 1 lakh kilometer areas. So one person basically asked the question: is basically the Microsoft basically getting special power supply from that particular 1 lakh kilometer area? Because he's telling that basically I am basically the king of the software company basically. SAP basically suddenly came and basically told that basically I am also king basically. So everybody is king basically. So government basically told that basically why hum bhi king hai basically, we are ruling the American, so we are also king basically. So everybody is king basically. But when this basically question basically raised, then nobody was basically supposed to give the answer basically. Why? Because this thing basically don't know anybody. If anybody don't know, then basically they blocks the ID, Naukri.com ID, LinkedIn ID, because they have the full power basically. They have got the full power of the each and every, and the person basically who is actually really doing the investment basically in American government, they basically got little bit tense basically. Why basically I invested basically? He basically asked the question basically, and he asked that question also basically, why basically I am staying in America also basically. Because America is the country basically who is telling that basically we are the number one country basically in the software industry basically. We basically say Sunil R Nair को निकालो सॉफ्टवेयर इंडस्ट्री से बाहर. So all country will say that भाई निकालो निकालो निकालो. He is out basically from the software company basically. But that country only basically don't know this thing basically. So that's basically one of the person told that it's very tense also basically. Because if America is in front of the world basically, that means some other groups are basically there who might be knowing this basically, that text box equal to 1,000 cities, and they are basically charging the subscription money basically, so that the Microsoft, Java, SAP, PHP, this whole group basically can able to view the text box. If condition, everything basically. So why Microsoft basically came into picture basically? If everything basically is deriving from the other side basically, then why Microsoft is basically in between basically? That is also question basically. Why SAP is in between basically? So next video basically we are going to see.